Right, this is Naresh. I would like to explain, I would like to deal one of the physics concept under light chapter, especially in CBSE Central Board syllabus. I will give the complete information about the property of one of the property of the light, that is known as a refraction. So let us start that topic. Okay, right now, before going to that topic, I would like to explain, I would like to give some hints which are happening in our daily life. So let's start. So now, if you observe here, if you observe, there is a one tumbler, one glass tumbler, which is filled with water. Filled with water. Let us assume there is a one pen or pencil which is filled, partially filled, right? If you observe this pen by seeing it, there will be like the pencil looks like bent at the surface of the two media. At the surface of the two media. So here the air, above there is air and inside there is water, right? So if you observe from the any side of this glass tumbler, this pen appears to be bent. I think you have seen, you have observed this in your life, right? So one more example, let us see. A coin is placed in a glass tumbler which contains water. Listen to me here. There is a one glass tumbler. There is a one small coin is placed at the bottom of the glass tumbler, which is filled with water. Now, if you observe from one side of this glass tumbler, then you will feel this coin is appear to be raised. That means it is, let's say, 1 or it's a 500 centimeter depth, but this coin appears less than that. Understand? That means, for example, you are trying to pick up this coin, right? But if you observe this coin, you will feel that this coin is appear to be raised. Then you try to pick up from this position, but you won't success. Why? Because this is apparent position of the coin. Actually, the coin is not there in its position. It is at the bottom of the bucket. Understood? Right? That means, if you observe these two examples, there is a one phenomena is happening around it. Which type of phenomena is it? So that we have to understand, that we have to study here. Now, let us see some more examples where we can observe daily life. For example, see, if you go to a swimming pool to swim, if you observe that the depth of the swimming pool, if you observe from outside, the depth of the swimming pool is lesser than the actual depth. I think you might have seen this, right? Similarly, a lemon. Instead of keeping a coin, if you keep a lemon inside the water, the lemon appears to be bigger than the actual size. Why it looks like that? Why does lemon looks like bigger than the actual size? Why this pen appears to be bent at the two media? Why this coin appears to be raised? So for this entire causes, for this entire applications, there is a one physical quantity or physical phenomena is involved. That is nothing but refraction of light. Refraction. So this refraction is involving in these applications, and it produces the different type of results as we say, right? So these things once again I will explain clearly after completion of the definition of the refraction phenomena. Okay, let us see what is the definition of the refraction and is there any formula for it, that we will discuss. Okay, right, let us talk about the definition. Refraction. What does mean by refraction here? So the phenomenon of bending of light at the surface of the separation of the two media is called as refraction. See here, the refraction is nothing but bending of light only. But here there is a one condition, that is, that has to, when it is travel from the one medium to the another medium, it will bend at the surface. So the bending of light, when the light ray is moving from the one medium to the another medium, it will bend. Here bending means nothing but it will deviate from its original position. It deviates from its original position. That is called bending. That bending is nothing but our refraction. For example, here let's see one more time the phenomenon of bending of light at the surface of separation of two media. Let us assume when a light is traveling from the air to water, it will bend. When a light ray moves from air to different media, let's say glass, then it will bend at the surface of the two media, right? So I will explain by using one diagram, right? See here, let's see, this is water. Now this is water medium and this is air medium. Now the light ray is moving. It is moving from, let's say here there is a one source of light. This is a source of light which is incidenting on one of the point on the surface of the water. Now if you observe here, this is a one air material and here the water material, right? Now when a light ray moves through the air and it is traveling to the air and it is moving to the water, right? Now there is a one normal we should draw to learn more about the refraction phenomena. We should draw the normal here. Normal is nothing but it is a normal line at the surface of the interface. So that means it gives the line makes 90 degrees angle with the surface. So that line is known as a normal. Okay, right. When a light ray travels from air to water, it will bend at the interface. Here this is known as the interface. Interface means it is a separation of the air and the water. At this place, the light ray will bend like this. Actually, this light ray has to move in this particular path, right? Because of the water media, it will bend and it is moving towards to the normal. It makes certain angle or, right? So if you observe here, there is a one angle called incident angle. That is angle between normal and the incident ray is known as the incident angle, right? So here the angle between normal to the refracted ray is known as a refracted ray. So this line is a refracted line. This is, or let's say OR is a refracted ray. And what is this? Let's say this is I and O. I is called as incident ray. Okay, N and N dash is known as a normal line. So if you observe here, when a light ray is moving from one medium to the another medium, it deviates from its original path. That is nothing but bending of light. This bending of light is nothing but one of the phenomena. This phenomena is known as a refraction of light. Let us talk about more clear about it. So why this light ray is bending when it is moving from one medium to another medium? Why this light ray is bending when it is moving to the another medium? Only one reason is the speed of light changes. Speed of light changes. When light ray moves from one medium to another medium, the speed of the light changes. Maybe it may decrease or it may increase. So that change, the light ray will bend towards to the normal or away from the normal. So this is the main reason the speed of the light changes when it moves from one type of the medium to the another type of the medium. Right? For example, when the light ray is moving in air, the speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second approximately. When the light is in air, the speed of the light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. But when the light is moving through the water, the speed decreases to approximately 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So if you observe this, the speed of the light has been decreases to 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Right? Because of the speed changes, as the light rays is slows down in water, that's why it will move towards to the normal. Understand? So depending upon the speed of the light, where it travels in the medium, then the medium is considered as the medium is classified as another two types. Are you understanding? Right. What are the types of medium? One is rarer medium. The other one is denser medium. So what is this rarer medium and denser medium? Listen. Rarer medium means the speed of the light is more when you compare it with the other medium, then it is that medium is considered as a rarer medium. If the speed of the light is more than the other medium, then that medium is called as rarer medium. What is meant by denser medium here? Denser medium means if the speed of the light is lesser than the other medium, then that medium is called as a denser medium. So, for example, if you observe these two media, the speed of the light in air is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, but the speed of the light in water is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So, here the speed of the light is more than this. So, that's why this is called as rarer medium. Here, the speed of the light 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second is lesser than the air. So, this is called as denser medium. I think you understood. Now, what is meant by denser and what is meant by rarer? Denser and rarer medium always be explained when we compare with the two mediums only. For example, this water is a denser medium here when you compare with the air. But this water medium is a rarer medium when we compare with the glass. Why? Because in glass, still the speed of light decreases. Did you understand? Right. So now, what happens when the light ray moves from rarer medium to denser medium or denser to rarer medium? We'll see that. So now, I am considering two different type of mediums. That is, one is rarer medium and other one is denser medium. I think you know what is rarer and what is denser, right? Now, when the light ray traveling from the rarer medium to denser medium. Now, to understand this, we should have a normal at the point of incident. To understand and to study about that, we should have a normal. And this is the incident ray. This O is called as point of incidence. Now, when a light ray moves from rarer medium to denser medium, the speed of the light decreases a lot, and that's why it will bend towards to the normal. So, here the angle of incidence is I, angle of refraction is R. If you observe these two diagrams, the I is greater than the R. Incident angle is more than the angle of refraction. Why? Because actually the light ray has to move in this particular path. But see here, if you observe I and R, I is greater than the R. Clear? So, in a similar way, let's consider when a light ray moves from denser to rarer, what will happen? when a light ray moves from denser medium to rarer. This is rarer to denser and this is denser to rarer. See here, this is the one of the light ray and this is the normal at the surface of the two medium. This is known as the incident angle I. Now, when the light ray moves from denser medium to rarer medium, here the speed of the light increases than the denser medium. Why? Because I told you already, rarer medium means the speed of the light is more than the other type of medium. So here the rarer medium speed of the light is more than the denser medium, more than the speed of the light in the denser medium. So this light ray will move away from the normal, like that. Right? Now when you observe here, the light ray has to move in the particular this path, but it will bend away from the normal, right? This is the angle of refraction. So if you observe this two I and R, we can tell one relation, that is R is greater than I. R is greater than I. Right? So by using this, that means when the light ray moving from the rarer to denser or denser to rarer, there is some speed of the light it changes. Due to the change in the speed of light, the bending phenomena will be occur. So this is about the refraction definition. In the next video, I will explain laws of refraction and applications in our daily life. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear children. Thank you. Bye.